Do you want to know what a 2005 F-250 Powerstroke 6.0 sounds and looks like at 200,000 miles? Stay tuned and you might find out. Look at the mileage first. 200 and 200. That's confusing. 200,200 miles on the truck currently. It rolled over 200,000 on Sunday. Let's hear what it sounds like from the cab when I turn it on. Sounds pretty good. We should take a look under the hood and find out what it looks like as it's running and some more sound of it when it's running. Let's take a look. Not the cleanest, not the prettiest. But she's doing fine. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe, share, like it, and let me know in the comments. Tell me about your truck. Do you have a diesel pickup truck that's hit 200,000 miles? Tell me about it, and if you want to, make a video about it. That'll be fun too. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.